Hey, welcome everyone. Pat Mitchell with TrickTrades here, and welcome to Trading Tuesday. From now on, just as a heads up, every Tuesday I'm going to be uploading. I may upload in the afternoons or the evenings, but regardless, it's going to be on Tuesdays. So in today's episode, I want to share something with you that in a market like this, the way this market's trading, a very clean market, I'm going to show you the setups that are money. If you listen to this, and whether you have to watch this a few times and really soak in this information, I promise you, your trading's going to turn around. Remember, this is just the free stuff from TrickTrades.com. Also, I'm also going to be pointing out some of the fallacies, misconceptions, and misinformation that's associated with trading front side moves, okay? We trade proper stocks at TrickTrades. These aren't low float pieces of shit that are going to completely destroy you, okay? So without any further ado, I'm gonna go enjoy that behind me. You enjoy that in front of you, and we'll see you guys here in a bit. Have fun. Okay folks, now let's get into the charts. So this what you see in front of you, these 8 charts. 4 intraday and 4 daily charts. This is how I have set up our screen share at TrickTrades. We also have, of course, some scanners up that lets us know what's moving and shaking, although we usually trade a small basket of stocks. So today I want to discuss with you guys, the importance of support and resistance. Now, before you start rolling your eyes and say, yeah, Pat, I know all about support and resistance. Listen. You don't, because a lot of you don't know how to trade support and resistance, how to buy into support and then short into resistance, okay? Because a lot of the times you've been told, don't catch a falling knife. Don't short the front side, okay? This is bullshit information that is dumb money tactics, okay? We trade smart money tactics like TrickTrades, okay? We are not afraid to buy support. You need to buy that support and you need to short that resistance, whether it's on the front side or you wait for confirmation, okay? Now, remember though, too, one of the key reasons why you're able to buy right at support on the stocks that you see in front of us is because they are higher float stocks. Another key point that you guys have been lied to. You've been told that these stocks don't move. They just chop. All these higher price stocks chop. No, they fucking don't. They trade very clean and there is a ton of range. Okay, range equates to points per share. And you can trade the option side if you crave the percentage gains. So I want to point out in this free video lesson, why these work so well, why these setups work so well. It's not necessarily about fundamental analysis or technical analysis. There's one more little thing that a lot of people don't think about. It's psychological analysis, okay? The psychology behind why these stocks bounce or reject where and when they do, okay? So first of all, let's get into BABA. This is a trade I personally took today. Before we get into why, I just want to let you guys know, on this trade here, all P&L was posted in the boss room, the boss options room, which is part of TrickTrades. All of this was called out live on screen share as well. It wasn't after the fact. All of these levels here were placed before. They were actually placed yesterday evening in the Hyperscan video watch list. So I ended up getting in here, added as soon as it tested out this level. So I literally caught the bottom, paid myself on this first push, just in case it wanted to stop me out. I would take care of commissions with a little bit of pocket change, okay? So as it pulled back, it ended up popping back up on this strong push candle. I took advantage of that and I paid myself out some more. And then as it came back into, you can see this resistance here, As soon as it popped up, I paid myself some more. And then this is where I stopped out. As soon as it popped up, I took advantage of the percentage gains and the premium gain on the options side. Don't be afraid of options, by the way. A lot of people trade really fucking crazy option strategies, and you don't need to. So that's where I got out. Now, I let my members know that this was going to go to the 9 EMA on the daily. Well, let's go to the daily. Where'd it go? 9 EMA on the daily, folks. Right dead nuts to the penny. Now, you'll see the 9 EMA slightly below the tip. That's only because it pulled back. It was literally right to the penny. Hey, sorry guys to interrupt. I know you're in the middle of learning. I just want to remind you, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so that you guys know every Tuesday when on Tuesday I'm going to be uploading, and smash the living fucking shit out of that like button. Come on guys, leave some comments below as well. Let's get some talk going. Okay, no more sitting on your asses. Let's do this. All right, get back to work. I let all my members know, and actually, if you want to check and verify that, you can see on Twitter. If you follow me, or you can follow me at TrickMitch1, all lowercase, you can go check my tweets for today, and you can see that I made that call out, and I let people know that I was getting out because I had some business to handle here early this afternoon, but it was going to test that 9 EMA, which is what it did. So why was I able to buy BABA at support with confidence and with size? Okay. Why? Because these stocks will bounce at support. At the support levels that I come up with, they will bounce. And the reason for that is these are professional levels. These levels are watched by thousands and thousands of traders, whether it be retail or institutional traders. They will bounce there. Do not be afraid to catch that falling knife, okay? These levels are very sound, okay? And the reason for it is people will buy at the best price. And the best price has to do with daily level support or resistance, period, okay? These are levels that professionals are watching. Remember, guys, people that are listening to this that are coming over from penny stock land, you need to remember these are two very different worlds. The reason why I preach traders, new, old, struggling, non-struggling, all traders to trade these stocks is because they trade so fucking clean. They trade clean, they follow the rules. And the reason for that is a lot of trading is based off of institutional trading with these stocks, okay? My account can't move this stock. Your account can't move this stock. So you follow the smart money. And the smart money, or the algorithms as well, there's algorithms that they have to follow the rules as well. It's not random buying and selling, guys, okay? They need to follow the rules. And once you figure out where these stocks are going to bounce or where they're going to reject, man, you can really make a lot of money with high odds of success, with your losers being very small. So, to kind of wrap this up, I need you guys to dismiss the bullshit of catching a falling knife and shorting the front side. Fuck that. Not when it comes to these stocks. These stocks you can take and you can buy or short into support or into resistance on the way up or on the way down. We are technical traders that are taking these technical setups they're also psychological setups. Okay, there's a reason why they are bouncing where they are bouncing. Money will come in at these levels. They will. We don't know how far up it'll bounce, but it will bounce. It will. You have to have faith in that. I prove this day in, day out at TrickTrades. Now, I'm not trying to get on my high horse. I'm simply just trying to give you guys the facts of how to properly trade. That's why I get so amped up and so worked up over all of the misinformation out there, guys. Okay? It's a lot of antiquated information that, man, they're coming up with strategies, and they're using strategies from the pump and dump era. Pump and dumps barely exist, and they don't exist in the same respect that these strategies were developed. Now, I'm not saying that a first red day short doesn't work. Of course it fucking works, but man, why wouldn't you want to buy support and short resistance day in, day out, make your money, punch that clock, pay your bills? Guys, I do this every day. I want nothing more than for you traders out there to be able to have the same life I did. I mean, I came in, I ran the room, I took a trade, I went into town, I was gone by 11. I went into town, I had to take care of some business, and then, as you saw earlier, I was out at the beach. Okay? Caught myself some nice tan, I caught some nice waves, and now I'm back at the house making this video for you guys. I'm doing what I love day in and day out. I fucking love this, guys. So, anyways, I hope this has given you a little more confidence and conviction into taking these trades. Okay, so I also have another idea for next Tuesday's video lesson, and make sure you're going to want to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading, because I'm going to be uploading very regularly now on Tuesdays. Okay, and what I'm going to do for you guys next week is I'm going to show you guys, because I get this question a lot. I get the question, now once the market opens, what do I watch for? Do I watch for a long or do I watch for a short? I promise you, next week, I'm going to answer that question with no bullshit, no just kind of alluding to it. I'm going to tell you full-blown exactly how to do it with a very mechanical system. Not guessing, okay? People want to know how to play the open. I'm going to teach you how. I'm going to show you how 100%. So you're not going to want to miss this. Make sure to smash that like button and hit that subscribe. Okay, guys, adios. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you learned something. Remember, there's no rules against watching a video lesson over and over again. Listen to this information, guys. I'm telling you, this works. The consistency of the TrickTrades members is unparalleled. It is actually amazing, and all bullshit aside, all, subscriber grab and join my service bullshit aside, I'm telling you, I want nothing more than your success. I want you guys to have the life that I'm enjoying right now. I'm not on vacation. This isn't vacation. This is literally 3 minutes away from my home, okay? There's not a person on this beach. I've got this entire beach to myself. I really want that type of life for you. Now, beach life, whatever, might not be your cup of tea. Regardless, I want you to be able to find your freedom. That's what I want. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something, and we'll see you again next Tuesday. Adios, folks.